back with another pack of Crimson Vow. Oh, dear. It's bursting out of the package like Johnny through the door from that one movie. All right, Lightning Wolf, Wanderlight Spirit, Fierce Retribution, Bloody Betrayal, Witch's Web, Unhallowed Phalanx, Wolf Strike, Blood Servitor, Siphon Essence, Binding Geist, Sawblade Stinger, Lunar Rejection, Gutter Skulker, and ooh, Sketch Grolnark the Omnivore. That's a nice card. We got the Frog with a Full Art Forest and a copy token. That's a fancy copy too. All right, not a bad pull at all. Thank you for watching.